In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TradeLocker risk management. Now, the first thing you want to do when you are inside TradeLocker, you want to go ahead over here to the very bottom right, and then in here you want to click that arrow just above the buy button. So the arrow up button, there we go. And then you first have to click on the risk over here next to the amount of lots, and then you can go ahead and set your stop loss. So for example, let's say I want to set my stop loss around over here. You can do that on the chart, and then let's say I want to basically make a take profit as well, and I'm gonna basically put it up here, let's say for this instance. Now what you can also do over here is then you can calculate. You can say, for example, I'm willing to risk $100, and you can specify this in here. So $100 is all I want to risk, or you can do just 50, or of course whatever you want to do. And over here you can also set, if you don't want to basically say it in dollars, but if you want to basically say it in the percentage of the balance of your account, so how much of the percentage of your balance you're willing to lose. So for example, let's say I'm willing to risk 1% of my account balance. You want to click on that like this. So right now, as you can see, Bitcoin crashed, so I went a bit below. I'm gonna have to adjust this for this tutorial. There we go. And then over here, you can basically select these two things. So how much you're willing to risk in dollars and how much you're willing to risk in percentages. So it's up to you which one you do. And then whenever you are ready, you can go ahead and click on buy over here. Everything, the amount of lots and everything is gonna be calculated on their own because this is the calculator. This is how it works. And then you can click on buy over here, click confirm, and then you are ready to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.